Hello students, now we are going to discuss about the clean area classification, right? How we can classify this clean area, what is going to be the basis to classify that area, it is how much clean, right? According to the different association, different organization, it has been classified. So let us understand what is the clean area classification, or what is the clean room or clean area we can say, right? So a clean room is defined as a room in which the concentration of airborne particles, the particle which has been burned in air, or that may be the microbes or any other particles, is controlled, right? It will be controlled by the HEPA filter or by the airlocked entry system, right? So likewise, in this many way we are going to control these airborne particles, to entry of the airborne particles, to exit of the air. So all those things we are going to control, and then we are saying that room is clean room or aseptic room, right? So how we can classify them? So according to the US federal standard system, it is classified into the 4 category. That is the class 100, that is actually standard, which will be used into the pharmaceutical industries, right? Then class 1000, class 10,000, and class 1 lakh, right? So suppose, say for example, this is the one room, right? Aseptic room. So what we are doing here, 1 cubic foot area of the room, right? That area we are taking, and in that area, what is, how much air it is there, in that airborne particles we are going to count, right? It may be 100, below 100, or more than 100, 10,000, so 1,000 or 10,000 or 1 lakh, and so on, right? So accordingly, so in that, what we are doing, the 0.5 micron and above particle size, it is going to counted, right? So 0.5, below 0.5 it will be, we are not considering. 0.5 micron and its above particle, whatever it is present into the 1 cubic foot area of the air of the that particular area into the room, that we are counting. And if it is coming near 100 or below 100, we are saying that room, it comes under the class 100 category of the clean room, or class 100 category of clean area, right? Accordingly, we if particle it is coming near 1000 or 10,000, accordingly we are keeping the room into that particular clean area. So that has been given by the US Federal Standard Association. Second mode of classification, according to the European Community Guidelines, they have categorized into the same 4 category, but they are saying it is grade A1, grade B, grade C, and grade D, right? So the same pattern they are going to also measure the room, what is the number of particles present into the airborne particle present into the per cubic foot area of the room. Accordingly, we are keeping those clean room into the different category. So that is the clean area classification. Thank you.